big shout out to Brody from Riverland Motor Group who went above and beyond for getting me a new drive shaft and also taking the Adelaide with him so I can pick it up from him. I appreciate it a lot. If you have any issues with your boards, go and see Brody at Riverland Motor Group. Awesome to deal with. We're just going to get to Spuds now, put her up on the hoist, and we'll have a crack at getting this thing put in. You can see the new drive shaft. This is the coupling that broke wire away, so that's the part we've got to sort out. You can see here where we had to cut her off when we were up the bush the other day because we didn't have the right torque bits, which we do now have. So unbolt all this quickly and then we should be right.
First up, we undid the 6 bolts at each end and took the leftover parts off the broken drive shaft. After this, we were able to undo the couplings and remove them from each end. Despite the damage in the mountains, the only thing that really took a beating was my angle grinder and ego. Next up, we installed the new drive shaft. This is a genuine Ford part. The plan was to put in a heavy duty drive shaft, but they didn't have any in stock, so we went back to stock standard. Once the drive shaft was back in place and all aligned, Brody and I did the bolts back up and the drive shaft was as good as new. In real time, this took us about 15 minutes, which includes getting the ute up on the hoist. If you don't have a hoist at your disposal, you could quite easily do this off ramps at home. Thanks for tuning in to the Off-Road Tradies. Make sure you check out our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and click on the subscribe to catch our latest episodes and more.